everybody! So we have a first for Love Life with Gardening. We've been sent in a video asking for some gardening help. It's from Janet and she lives in Haida Gwai off the west coast of Canada. Let's watch her video and see what the problem is. Hi Love Life Gardening, we're calling in from Haida Gwai and we have this apple tree. It's on a severe angle with lots of shoots coming off of it in weird ways. It used to produce apples, but it didn't last year. Not sure if that's because of its state or its climate. And also, Annika, do you want to tell us what happened, why it's on such an angle?
I don't really remember, but apparently Hunter, my cousin, was climbing on this, and it
Almost fell over.
Yeah.
What do we do?
What do we do, Love Life Gardener?
Oh no, Janet, your apple tree. Well, I'm sure there's something that can be done to help it. First thing you need to do is prop it up. Go foraging in the woods around you and see if you can find a long, strong branch that forks out at the top in like a Y shape. I've got a branch like that we've used to prop up a branch from a tree in our neighbor's garden that was falling over into our garden. See if you can find something like that. Use that to prop it up, and each year try and prop it up a little bit more. Then what you can do is see if there are any heavy branches on the side where it's leaning. Prune those off, lighten the load a little, and then counterintuitively, I read that it's a good idea to do some pruning on the opposite side of the tree. What it does is it promotes lots of new growth on that side and will hopefully help balance out the weight of the tree. Then what you can do is give it a nice feed, nourish it with some compost or manure. You can lay that down on the ground. Now is a good time of year to do that. And then just love your tree. Give it lots of love. Thank you so much for sending in your video. Have a great day, everyone.